The best thing that I have ever eaten is some of my grandmother's cooking. And in Japanese, we call her bacha. Every region of the world has like a meat and potatoes dish, and this is the Japanese one. So it's called Nikujaga, and it's beef, daikon, potatoes, and carrots, and you simmer it down with some dashi stock, some soy sauce, some sugar, some sake, and some mirin. It's a dish she used to make when we came up to visit her, and it's about a 9-hour drive, but somehow, whenever we got up there, no matter the time, the Nikujaga was hot and so was the rice. So that's what I'm sharing with you guys today. So I think some key challenges that the college and universities are facing just echo the entirety of the food industry. The acquisition and retention of skilled labor is pretty huge. The diminishing margins in food cost are always going to be a challenge. So how do you balance both of those while still putting out kind of the best food forward? From my position with our company, I'm looking to help them any way I can.
You would think looking at that dish, it would be really heavy, you know, just as a roast, like our old American style roast, but it's a really delicate flavor in that stock. I think that short rib is a great choice. The fattiness of the meat really adds to the complexity of the sauce, and the sauce really just bringing it all together and it keeps it light.